Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve question number 6 to question number 10 from exercise 3.2 from matrices chapter. So let us start with sixth one. Simplify the given two matrices. So here we can see that a trigonometric function matrix is given where we have cos theta and sin theta, and it needs to be added with another matrix with a similar feature, that is trigonometric functions. So here cos theta and sin theta act as a scalar quantity which needs to be multiplied with the elements of the matrix. So let us multiply cos theta with this matrix and sin theta with this matrix. So here cos theta multiplies with the first element cos theta, giving us cos square theta. Cos theta times sin theta. Cos theta times minus sin theta gives us minus cos theta sin theta. Cos theta times cos theta gives us cos square theta. Plus, now sin theta multiplies with all the elements of this matrix. So sin theta times sin theta is sin square theta. Sin theta minus cos theta is minus cos theta sin theta. Sin theta times cos theta, and sin theta times sin theta gives us sin square theta. Now let us perform the addition operation of matrix. That is, each element of this matrix adds up with each element of this matrix. So cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos theta sin theta plus and minus will give us minus cos theta sin theta. Minus cos theta sin theta plus cos theta sin theta, and cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta represents a trigonometric identity which will be equal to 1. So the first element and the fourth element will be equal to 1. Now cos theta sin theta minus cos theta sin theta, they both are same terms, one with a positive sign but one with a negative sign. So they will add up to give us 0. Now the same thing happens over here. Now minus cos theta sin theta plus cos theta sin theta will add up to give us 0. So here let us write the simplified form of this given matrix is going to be 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is our answer. Now let us move on to the seventh question. Find x and y if. So in the seventh question we have two sub questions, and here we can see that each question forms an equation, that is x plus y is equal to 2 by 2 matrix and x minus y is equal to 2 by 2 matrix. Similarly it repeats for the second question as well. So let us start with the first one now. So the first question is repeated over here. Now let us add the left hand sides of both the matrices and right hand side of both the matrices. So here the left hand side of both the matrices is going to be x plus y plus x minus y is equal to, now adding the right hand sides, so it is going to be this matrix plus this matrix. Now if we look at the left hand side, plus y and minus y can be cancelled because they are like terms. So adding x plus x we get 2x is equal to, now adding the right hand side elements, 7 plus 3 is 10, 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 0 is 2, and 5 plus 3 is 8. Now let us take 2 on the other side of the equal to sign. So here we get x is equal to, now 2 goes on the other side and divides the matrix, that is x is equal to 1 over 2 times the matrix. Now this 1 over 2 divides each element of the matrix, that is 1 over 2 times 10, that is 10 over 2 gives us 5, 1 over 2 times 0 gives us 0, 1 over 2 times 2 gives us 1, that is 2 over 2 is 1, and 1 over 2 times 8, that is 8 over 2 gives us 4. So this is the value of x. Now once we have found out the value of x, let us try to find out the value of y. Now to find out the value of y, you can either choose this equation or this equation. I am going to use the first equation now. So x plus y is equal to 7025. Now I am going to take x on the other side of equal to sign. So this is mostly like an algebra step itself. So y will be equal to the given matrix minus x. So plus x becomes minus x. Now here we have the value of the matrix x. So we are just going to plug in its value. So we get 7025 minus 5014. Now this is matrix subtraction. So each element minus each element. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So this is the value of the matrix y. Now let us move on to the second sub question. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 by 2 matrix and 3x plus 2y is equal to 2 by 2 matrix. Now here we can perform simultaneous equations. So here you can see I have written this equation on the top and the second equation at the bottom. Now here I am going to multiply this 3 with the first equation. So you can see I have written here times 3 and times 3. and this 2 I'm going to multiply with the second equation. So we get 3 multiplies with 2 giving us 6x plus 3 multiplies with 3y giving us 9y is equal to, now 3 multiplies with all the elements of this matrix. So we get 6, 9, 12 and 0. Similarly for the second equation, 2 times 3x is 6x plus 2 times 2y is 4y is equal to 2 multiplies with all the elements. So we get 4 minus 2 and 10. Now let us subtract the second equation from the first equation. So subtracting the left hand sides and subtracting the right hand sides, we get, so 6x minus 6x, these two will get cancelled. Now 9y minus 4y gives us 5y is equal to, now every element of the second matrix gets subtracted from the first matrix. That is 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus of minus 4 is plus 4. So 9 plus 4 is 13. 12 minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So 12 plus 2 is 14. Now 0 minus 10 is minus 10. Now we got 5y is equal to this matrix. So let us take 5 on the other side of equal to sign. So we get, so y will be equal to, 5 goes on the other side and we get 1 over times 2, 13, 14 and minus 10. Now here 5 divides every element of the matrix giving us 2 over 5, 13 over 5, 14 over 5 and minus 10 over 5. Now out of these elements, the last element can be simplified. That is 5 and minus 10 goes in the table of 5. So simplifying the matrix y, we get 2 over 5, 13 over 5, 14 over 5 and minus 2. So this is the value of matrix y. Now let us find out matrix x. So for that we can choose any of these two equations. I'll be starting with the first one. So here we have taken the first equation and we have sent this 3y on the other side of equal to sign. So it becomes 2x is equal to the given matrix minus 3y. Now here 2x will be equal to the given matrix minus 3 times the value of y which we have got over here. That is 2 over 5, 13 over 5, 14 over 5 and minus 2. So substituting over here we have written this way. Now in the next step we are going to multiply 3 with all the elements of this matrix. So the first matrix remains the same, minus 3 times 2 is 6 over 5, 3 times 13 is 39 over 5, 3 times 14 is 42 over 5 and 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. Now performing the subtraction operation, we get 2x is equal to 2 minus 6 over 5, 3 minus 39 over 5, 4 minus 42 over 5 and 0 minus of minus is plus 6. Now here we have to just simplify the elements. So 2 minus 6 over 5 gives us 4 over 5. 3 minus 39 over 5 is minus 24 over 5. 4 minus 42 over 5 is minus 22 over 5 and 0 plus 6 is 6. Now let us take this 2 on the other side of equal to sign. So we get x is equal to 1 over 2 times this matrix. Now 1 over 2 multiplies with each element of the matrix. So 1 over 2 times 4 over 5. Here 2 divides 4. That is 2 1 times is 2 and 2 2 times is 4. So the first element we get here is 2 over 5. Similarly 1 over 2 multiplies with negative 24 over 5. So 2 divides 24 giving us minus 12. So the second element is minus 12 over 5. Now 1 over 2 multiplies with minus 22 over 5. So 2 divides 22 giving us 11. So the third element is minus 11 over 5. And finally we have 1 over 2 times 6. 2 divides 6 giving us 3. So this is the value of x. Now let us move on to the 8th question. Find x if y is equal to 3, 2, 1, 4 and 2x plus y is equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 2. So let us begin by considering the second equation. Now we have written this equation over here. Now let us take y on the other side of equal to sign. So 2x will be equal to the given matrix plus y becomes minus y. Now let us plug in the value of y here. So we get 1, 0, minus 3, 2. That is the given matrix minus the value of y. Now this is subtraction of matrices. So we get 2x is equal to 1 minus 3 gives us minus 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Now let us take 2 on the other side of equal to sign. So the matrix x is equal to 1 over 2 times this matrix which we got. Now 1 over 2 multiplies with each and every element of the matrix. So 1 over 2 times minus 2. So 2 divides itself. So we get minus 1. So 1 over 2 times minus 2 again gives us minus 1. 1 over 2 times minus 4 gives us minus 2. And 1 over 2 times minus 2 again gives us minus 1. So this is the value of the matrix X. Now let us move on to the ninth question. Find the value of X and Y in the given matrix. Now here let us begin by multiplying the scalar quantity 2 with the given matrix. So 2 multiplies with 1 giving us 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 0 is 0. And 2 times X is 2X. Plus the remaining two matrices remain the same. Now let us form equations for X and Y. Now since the order of the matrices are same, that is 2 by 2, 2 by 2 and 2 by 2, it comes under the law of equality of matrix. So we are going to add the first elements, that is 2 plus y, and equate it to the first element, that is 2 plus y is equal to 5. Now taking 2 on the other side of equal to sign, we get y is equal to 5 minus 2, or y is equal to 3. So we have got the value of y. Similarly, let us form an equation for x. So here adding the fourth elements, that is 2x plus 2, and equating it to the fourth element, that is 8. We get the equation as 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. Now taking 2 on the other side of equal to sign, we get 2x is equal to 8 minus 2. So 2x will be equal to 6, and 2 divides 6 giving us 3. So here we have got the value of x and y. Now let us move on to the 10th question. Solve the equation for x, y, z and t if 2 times this matrix plus 3 times this matrix is equal to 3 times the last matrix. So let us begin by multiplying these scalar quantities with their respective matrices. So here 2 multiplies with all the elements. So we get 2x, 2z, 2y and 2t, plus 3 multiplies with all the elements. So we get 3 minus 3, 0 and 6 is equal to, again 3 multiplies with all the elements giving us 9, 15, 12 and 18. Now since all the matrices are 2 by 2 matrix, we can apply the equality of matrix law here. So the first element plus first element equal to first element. So we get 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. Now the same thing applies to the second element, third and fourth element. So 2z plus and minus becomes minus 3. So 2z minus 3 is equal to 15. 2y plus 0 gives us 2y itself is equal to 12. And 2t plus 6 gives us 18. Now we have got 4 equations. So let us solve the first equation. So 2x is equal to, taking plus 3 on the other side of equal to sign, we get 9 minus 3. So 2x is equal to 6. Now 2 goes on the other side and divides the 6, giving us x equal to 3. Now let us move on to the next equation. 2z is equal to, taking minus 3 on the other side of equal to sign, we get 15 plus 3. So 2z is equal to 18. So 2 goes on the other side and divides 18, giving us the value of z as 9. That is 18 divided by 2 is 9. Now for the third equation, 2 divides 12, giving us 6. And finally we have the last equation. 2t is equal to, taking 6 on the other side, we get 18 minus 6. So 2t is equal to 12. 2 divides 12, giving us the value of t as 6. So these are the values of x, y, z and t. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out these playlists where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.